Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. So this video will be helpful for you if you are looking for opportunities. So do watch the complete video. This is going to be helpful for you. But before this, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed it now. Also turn on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading any video, you can get the notification of the same and you are not missing any important update or opportunity. Also be a part of our Telegram channel. You can be updated from there as well, right? So the link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, let's have a look on the opportunities that we do have. So first opportunity that we have is from DXC Technology. As you can see, so they are basically hiring for the role of associate professional software engineer. Now this is a sort of job description given, so let's go through it. Okay, so essential job functions, as they have mentioned: perform system modeling, simulation, and analysis to provide appropriate software solution to meet client business needs with high level of guidance supervision, provide input for documentation and assist in documentation of new or existing programs to ensure information accessibility as required, participate in designing, developing, troubleshooting, and analyzing software programs that operate with hardware system, assisting in customizing purchase application and assisting in maintaining program libraries and manuals based on research and customer needs, provides feedback and reports to management on the status and availability of software and hardware to ensure proper functioning. So even you can go through it to get a sort of proper idea. Let's quickly talk about the basic qualification. So bachelor's degree or equivalent combination of education and experience is needed. Entry level job it is basically. So if you are from 2020 batch, 2021 batch, you are eligible for this. Bachelor's degree in computer science, management, information system, or related field preferred, has conceptual knowledge of theories, practices, and procedures in software engineering or operating system programming required. Other qualification is like work environment, office environment, able to work in a team environment, communication skills to interact with team members and support personal, interpersonal skills to interact with customer and team members. Right? So if this sounds interesting to you and it's aligning to your skill set, then make sure to apply for this one. Okay, so now let's talk about our next opportunity. That is from Zoho. So Zoho is basically hiring for the role of technical support engineer. This is the job description given: that deliver voice, email, and chat-based technical support, conduct online demos and customer trainings, requirement gathering and analysis, respond to RFI requests and timely follow up with contacts, provide POC to leads, deliver accurate and timely solutions to customers, willingness to work night shift. Talking about, like, we are looking for a specialist who are excellent in written and spoken English, having 6 months or more experience in a client facing role, proficient in offering phone-based support to USA or UK customer, flexible to work night shift and relocate, keen to learn new technology. Okay, so here's the simple form given that you have to simply fill. If you are interested in that opportunity, if you are having sort of experience, you can mention. Otherwise, you can simply select fresher for it, expected CTC, current CTC, everything they have been asked from you. So make sure to apply for this opportunity as well. Also, they have asked that, have you taken up any other interview process at Zoho in the last 6 months? So most probably then you won't be eligible for this one, right? So you have to make a note of this as well. Okay, so if you will go through this form, so right, okay, so if you're from 20 batch, 19 batch, 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Red Hat. So Red Hat is basically hiring for the role of associate software engineer. This is the job summary given regarding the company. So the Red Hat partner offering CAT certification team is looking for an associate software engineer to join us in Pune. So the job location is going to be Pune, India. In this role, you will design, develop, troubleshoot, and debug software and APIs in support of Red Hat certification. Red Hat certification is the arbiter of partner solution supportability. You'll use your practical talents and skills to contribute to the development of Red Hat certification. Primary job responsibilities that they have mentioned is design, develop, troubleshoot, and debug software and APIs. Participate in the practical development of Red Hat certification tooling and infrastructure. The partner test suite business workflows related to certification and operational support needs. Participate in peer code reviews, be an active participant in scrums, spikes, grooming, estimation, and sprint planning. Communicate clearly and effectively, integrate and collaborate with peers on quality engineering, on root cause analysis and corrective action implementation. Talking about the required skills, so competency in the following open source middleware or backend development tools and platform, or their equivalent, that is Java API development, open source databases, XML, single page apps, experience with Python, Spring, and JavaScript, experience with Jira or Confluence is a plus, comfortable with the SDLC, agile methodologies, and continuous integration is a plus. So SDLC, they haven't specified any particular branch. So this opportunity is most probably for the fresher. So if you're from 20 or 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity, right? Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is for 2022 batch. So is our next opportunity, that is from Aptus Data Labs Campus to Corporate 2022. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch, as you can see. So this is a sort of description given regarding the company, that it is one of the India's fastest growing data engineering and advanced analytics company, where a mission focused team of data engineers, cloud expert, data scientists, application developers, and technology architects who have great knowledge in the field of emerging technologies. So this opportunity is for fresher. Eligibility is BTech, MTech in CSE IT candidates graduating in 2022, 75% marks across 10th standard to grade level. Internship period will be Jan 2022 till June 2022. So first of all, there will be internship, then you'll be converted for the full-time. So full-time employee, you'll be joining us like after July 22 onwards. So during the internship, you'll be getting 10K to 15K per month. And after becoming a full-time employee, you'll be getting 5.5 LPA to 6 LPA, and that is fixed. Other benefits at the time of HR interview they'll be letting you know about this. And location is going to be Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, right? So this is what they have mentioned. So let's proceed further in the form itself that they have provided. So there is this form that they have provided. You have to proceed further providing your details that they have asked for. And then simply you have to submit this form, right? So these were some opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. Then if it is so, then make sure to share the video. It's a must. I would suggest please share the video so that others can also know about the job opportunities. Our whole agenda of making this video is just that we can help you, right? So if not many people are watching and the video is not getting shared among many students, then obviously it's the agenda won't be fulfilled. Then please do share the video among your friends as well. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Be a part of our Telegram community as well. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Keep learning guys, keep preparing. Bye bye.